Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stop ads on Realme phone. Unfortunately, we can't stop ads completely on any phone, but on Realme we can simply reduce them or reset the ads personalization by going to Google Services, going to Security and Privacy and Ads. Here you can get new advertising ID, reset current advertising ID or delete advertising ID. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.